In this guide, I'll show you how to play games on your Google TV using the Google Play Store. So the first thing you want to do is navigate over to the search icon at the top of your screen. And in the search, you want to type in Google space Play space Store and then select the search icon. Now, if you have Google Voice Assist set up on your remote control, simply press the mic button and then say Google Play Store. And then after a couple seconds, it's going to bring you here. And then if you navigate up and over, this is where you're going to find all the games that you can install on your Google TV. So in this example, I'm going to select this game. And from here, since I've already installed it, it's saying play, but you'll have the option to install. And once it's finished downloading, if you press the home button on your remote control to get back to here and scroll back over to For You, scroll down to where your apps are and you will be able to find the game and play it. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.